deserves another round of applause. It's been good fun, I would say, to do this. That's an understatement. It's a very good moment to place on the deck of this boat. So that's the kind of that's what this whole story is about for us. So it's kind of more than a sculpture. It's about the journey, and it's been sort of great to work together. And it's kind of, because of the size of St. Piran, we could actually work on it at the same time, which is not often the case when you're making stuff with granite. You normally have to face away from each other. So that could be quite good fun, just to be able to work at the same time. It could be quite funny. It could be just emotional, yes. And so yeah, and it's been fantastic because it's a great day. Well, 2 days. So yeah, thanks for everyone that kind of supported us along the way. It's kind of meant again that the project gets a lot of exposure, the quarry gets a lot of attention, which is really important these days. It's a really critical part of Cornwall's sort of cultural and social landscape. And yeah, it'd be great for St. Piran to arrive in Brittany. Thanks for everyone's work.
Stefan, how about you? What's been the best part so far? Tomorrow night, that's it. that's been the best part. No, nothing precious about it. The pressure is to enjoy the journey with the city on the boat and enjoy nice music. Go back to Brittany. That's it. Again, nice. And what was fun really is to meet every single one of you. Some of them more than others. Ken especially for his artwork with us, his support. Peter and Kevin have been there from day one, as well as Shane and there you are. That's been there from day one. Ben Perry, the photographer, that's been following us all the way. So there was an awesome exhibition in town. The Far River people, when you're sitting on their boat, supporting us. Team here and team at the quarry. Everyone really. So thank you again and enjoy the cruise. And now I think it's time for music. If they have the clue. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the cruise back to Falmouth and yeah, see you maybe for another set sometime.
Well done.